Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your window in the PC, maybe in your laptop, window 11 or 10, your sound not working. So how you can fix that? So in this video, I'm gonna give you the easy solution to fix that issue. The first step is that you just have to just select your correct output device. Just click on the speaker, just like that, which is going to show you on the screen. Just click on that, click on the right click and see the speakers headphones, and you make sure that you just do that speaker. If it's not showing in your case, so not worry, just go to the search bar and just search a sound settings and see the option of a choose your output device. Just click on that and just choose that one. After choosing that one, you just have to increase your volume. So after increasing your volume just like that, I'm gonna increase that volume to the 100. So after that, you just follow the step to restart your audio services. So just have to just press a window plus R. I'm gonna show you which one also available in the description. You just have to just check that. So just window plus R and just type the services.msc. Just copy it and just paste here and just OK it. So you just have to just go to the Windows audio. Just scroll it down in the bottom and see the Windows audio. Just right click and just restart it from here. And also restart the window audio endpoint filter. After restarting here, that one is restart your laptop and PC. So the third step is that we just have to run sound troubleshooter. So let's go to settings, go to sound section. I'm gonna go to direct, go to sound settings and see the option about troubleshoot. Just click on that and just wait. It's gonna checking that if I have any troubleshooting issue in or not. After checking that, just close it. So after that is go back. And the third step is which I'm gonna go done it. And the fourth step is you just disable your audio enhancements. So just go to the static system and sound again. Go to the sound systems. And here we will show you the option of enhancement which not showing in my case, but in your case it's showing that I have just turned it off. So after that, you just follow the fifth step. The fifth step is that set speaker as default. So just go to the control panel. If you don't know where you will find, just really search on control panel and just going to that interface and just find a sound. Just find a sound. Just click on that and see the playback tab you have right now. Playback tab is where you are right now. So right click the speaker set as default. So you right click and see the weight set as default. So you see the my speaker headphone is right now on a default device. So make sure that you just have to do that. Just do it from the here. So go to properties and just properties again. Change the settings. Just saying the IG device is working properly and check that. Just update the driver from here. After updating your driver, just go back. OK it. And again OK it. So the other thing is just have to just follow the sixth step. The sixth step is just to just update or reinstall audio drivers, which I'm going to you right now in the screen showing you. If you don't want to do that, so simply I'm going to tell that how you can update or reinstall your sound drivers. So just right click on the window and see the option of a device manager. Just click on that and see the option of sound. If you don't find, just wait and see the option of a sound, video and game controller. Just click on that and just restart all driver format just like that. Right click and just update, and also you can install the device. And we make I suggest that you just have to just update your drivers only. You don't have to just uninstall the devices from here. Which after you just restarting your laptop, maybe you have a PC, you're just gonna install again. So make sure you just update the drivers from here. After updating your drivers, you just have to just follow the step 7. Step 7 is you have to check volume mixture. So make sure that you just have to just not checking any doing rather than that one. Just go to settings, sound section and this volume mixer. Make sure app volume is not muted. So just like that, the icon on my showing is a speaker and right now it's not muted, which I'm gonna show you. Just click on that and you see that one muted. So in your case, if you right now in that interface, you just have to just click on that and just unmute here. So after that, you just have to restart your PC, and after that, your power gonna solve and your sound should work normally. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming Windows problem related videos.